Just listen to that sizzle. It just came out of the oven. This is my breakfast bagel bake. So keep watching so you can see how I made it. Hi everybody. Today I have a breakfast bagel bake. In my pan I started off with 12 eggs and I blended them a little bit. Now I'm going to add seasonings. I have my pink salt and just a little bit of that. And then I have pepper, a little bit of the Tony seasoning for a little bit of spice. And then my always onion and garlic. Didn't want to come out of there. This one's the garlic. That wants to come out. And then so I'm going to mix this up just a little bit more. And then I had another bag of I think it was the Tennessee fried, the sausage balls. It's made with cheese and biscuits. So I cooked these up and then I'm going to add them to my little bake. And I used these in some egg muffins that I made a while back. They're really good. Alright, and then for the bagel part, I bought some cheese bagels and I cut them up into pieces. I'm going to put them in here. I'm hoping that maybe they'll crisp up a little bit. We'll see. And I think these are actually Asiago cheese bagels. I got them from Walmart. They're the market side brand that you find in their bakery. Alright, and then of course I have to add cheese. And this one is a mild cheddar cheese that I shredded up. Ooh, and I almost forgot the green onion. Cheese is getting away. All right, and then a little bit of the green onion. And I have the oven preheated to 375, and so I'm going to get that in there. And I'll have to come back and let you know how long it took to cook. Not to cake, to cook, to bake, to cook. Oh, and it's all sticking to me. All right, so I'll bring you back. I left this in the oven for about 30 minutes and now I'm ready for my bite. And I got a little bit of the bagel in there, hopefully a piece of that sausage. Mm-hmm. Mm. That's really good. The bagel did crisp up a little bit, but then the part where it's in the egg, it's a little bit chewy. It's really good.